told you so extra, but I know I'm the same. Yeah. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama.
Hey YouTube, it's your girl Drknlvely, aka Robin, and welcome back to my channel. And if it's your first time seeing this mug and these locks walking on the streets of LA, I'm gonna need you to go ahead and click that subscribe button, become part of the Dark Knight Squad. We lit over here. I'm your good sis, my good sis, and I'm back home for the holidays. I am currently walking to my sister's house, and normally I get valet service, but I normally come in early. This time I came in kind of late, which I appreciate because I didn't have to. Now this man know my nose is already snotty and he's sitting here kicking up dust in his go-go boots, which I appreciated not having to be at the airport at the ass crack of dawn. My flight left at 7, so that means I had to wake up 5 instead of 3 or something like that. I only got to the airport an hour before I was supposed to take off. Wasn't a problem. I have TSA pre-check, so that was good. But I'm back home in LA for the holidays. This is gonna be a Thanksgiving holiday vlog. I decided that I'm gonna do on and off. So this year I'm on for Thanksgiving, off for Christmas. Next year I'm off for Thanksgiving, on for Christmas with my family. Just so it makes it easier for me because flights are not cheap. And you good sis, I'm not a millionaire yet. I ain't got my own jet or no shit like that. So we got to fly commercial. And these commercial flights are expensive. I don't know, for some odd reason I woke up very snotty. Don't know why. Is this Jameer's car? I think this is Jameer's car. I'm nosy, but all right, I'm about to eat. I just made it to the house and then I'll pick you guys up later. Poor luggage is making a mess. I've been having hot flashes. It's a real thing. It just started. I think it's perimenopause is kicking in for sure. Hello. Baby, if I could, I would have showed y'all. I was like hungry. I got this probably an hour ago. What it was, and I seen a lady on Tik Tok. She said, get the scramble bowl from Chick-fil-A, and instead of the crispy chicken, get the grilled chicken. And I don't know if you've ever had the breakfast delight, but On here, I've made my own version of the breakfast delight. Baby, that grilled chicken ain't the same grilled chicken that they use for the grilled nuggets. I don't know what they be doing with it, but it's nasty. I don't like it. Baby, when I tell you, I did the jalapeno salsa that comes with it, and what is this called? And I did the honey roasted barbecue. Babe, ate up. It was really good, and it was cold. But I was also really hungry, but it was also good. That honey roasted barbecue, delicioso, baby. They was in a bag when they created that. And that little packet, that's all you need. I did the little salsa that they give you, and then baby, delicious. Ate it up. It wasn't enough because I'm hungry. I don't know about anybody else. When you're traveling, when you're about to leave, you don't really cook nothing. And I wasn't planning on cooking nothing. So went out on a burnt mission to Cheesecake Factory last night because I didn't feel like cooking. And it was not good. I love Cheesecake Factory, but that food was nasty. It wasn't good. It wasn't hitting for what it was hitting. First of all, they set me in their section that I do not like. Sit you way back in a dome area. And they always sitting parties back there. And it's always like children. And respectfully, everybody don't mind their children. Children be running around screaming and shit like that. No. So they set us back there. And as they were taking us back there, I was like, all right. But the party that was sitting there with the children, they were getting ready to leave. So I was like, oh, it's going to be all good. No. Moments later, another family with children came. But their children were well behaved. But the food still was not hitting. The waiter, he was quiet and very soft-spoken. And my drink was late and it was nasty. And girl, I didn't even order no hard shit. I ordered tropical ginger cooler or something like that. How you late on that? It's literally some pineapple juice and some ginger ale or some ginger beer. Not my shit. Hurry up. But it wasn't good. And then I didn't even get to order what I wanted to order. So I should have just ordered my pasta and kept it pushing. But I wanted to do appetizers, but it wasn't good. And I was very upset. So, because I knew I wasn't cooking because I was leaving out of town. So, anywho, I ate that food. I ate it up. But my sister went shopping last night for the most part. And she got a majority of a lot of stuff. So now I have less to get, which I'm very happy about. So I ain't got to be fighting nobody's granny or somebody's auntie at the grocery store for some greens. All right, y'all. What are we doing? We are getting ready to go shopping. Costco, right? That's my niece. That's out there, over there. She's camera shy. Don't like camera. Well, she's gonna be on the camera this week, okay? I'm gonna try and complete this vlog. I'll do it. It might be a little choppy, but I'm gonna get it done. for cherries, and I found them. Hold on. Now I gotta call my sister because I'm looking for this Mendocino cherries. Hold on. All right, so success. We got the Mendocino cherries. Girl, we've been searching for these things. We came here last night and it was none at all. So we got that done. I still have to go to Ralph's for one thing. That could honestly just be like me and my sister going before we go home. We'll go over there. All right. So the Mendocino, that's a predominantly Hispanic store, and I was very surprised to see that black boy working up in there. Good for him. This is a predominantly black neighborhood, but respectfully, I was very surprised. But yes, these are not, I keep saying Mendocino. These are Maraschino cherries, but we got them. Now my sister getting her toes done on Thanksgiving. Where'd she go at? Oh, she over here. Right here? Let me look at the colors again. No, like put them on your finger. Content, girl.
I cannot stand you. Which one were you doing?
That one, that mauve color.
This one?
Yeah, that one's cute. Yeah, I like that one a lot. I don't like that one.
This one.
Yeah, the mauve. Fired. All of this, right? And then I mix it again. Fluff. You didn't been on the internet before.
Okay. No, I haven't.
Yes, you have been in my blogs.
That wedding hairstyle, she was like, yes, bitch, word.
You have been in my blogs before. I will show you on the internet. Mama, are you tender-headed?
Yes, because she been ooching it out. What I was about to say?
If we had some gray, that'd be cute.
Yeah, that sounds like. If we had the flat iron, she wouldn't, and then the hairspray, it wouldn't be hard. That's why I'm like, you definitely gonna have to wash this. A lot of product.
Okay. Like, walk down the stairs. It was cute when you walked down. Okay. Okay, Tati. Come. You get on my nerves. Can't see your face. Come on.
I cannot. Literally, I'm sorry. You're just getting too far.
Okay, you can do a spin. Ooh, cute. You gotta do that little OOTD. Ah! Those are cute, Tati. I couldn't pull those off. Those are Yeezys.
We watch him in practice. He's doing a great look at Andrew. He just can't get time with Kelsey and Gray and Tundon. And now that's when they convert again.
Got the food. Y'all gonna see the food. See the food. Yeah.
When you get older.
See the food. Yeah.
That's Christmas, you let it pass. Fast.
Eat it, bro.
She's holding the phone to her. Eat it up. 1, 2, squabble. 1, 2, roll it up, group. 5,
It's this one.
6,
Fast.
come on, keep going. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, scoop. Eat it up, fast. Squabble. Oh. Wait. 1.
And those cranberry, what you call it? Those cherry, cherry ginger ales. I tried those fire. Those are good.
Yeah. I got 2 of them in my suitcase.
Put them. Where you put them at?
In my suitcase.
Okay, don't even worry about that.
Her head is so heavy.
Ooh, she heavy?
Her head.
Oh, this.
Because you were drinking.
What are you talking about?
No.
Oh no! She'll either want to go cycle.
No, I don't want you going before me.
Okay, so look.
Nah, it's too late. You could come. We already established what I'm talking about. And I got you since you wanted to do that. 3 plus 6. Oh, that's why you wanted to do that? You wanted to set me up? I was on your team.
We're not on team.
Oh, this is an individual game.
I'm Los Angeles.
Wait, we're
Round 2, Robbie.
To change everything you've done about
I think it is Elvis.
This is the new Harvey that's 60. And we want you to travel forward.
Oh, she wanted to set me up, huh?
Oh yeah, she
No,
You can draw?
Yes,
she
if you
can.
draw,
If she
if
has
you
it.
card,
Yeah.
yeah.
All right.
cheater.
Skip.
Hey, he's a. Your mama's so good.
She fake sleeping. I mean, she didn't cook.
Sorry, it's broken. It's broken. It's broken.
Why you all over here? You know what? Skip.
Yeah.